Imagine deploying a Django app manually every time. Tedious, right? Automation with Ansible removes that headache. No more repetitive server setup, just efficient deployments. It scales beautifully, making life easier as your project grows. And hey, why spend hours on tasks a simple script can handle? Embrace automation and focus on what truly matters: writing great code. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable, integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk powerhouses. Django, the framework that simplifies web development, and Ansible, the automation tool that saves us from tedious tasks. Using them together, that's where the magic happens. Automate setups, streamline deployments, and spend less time in frustration. Who wouldn't want a system that works while you sip coffee? Let's dive into why automation is the way forward. Picture this: you manually configure every server for every update. Sounds exhausting, right? Automation cuts down time and effort, ensuring the same setup every time. No oops wrong config moments anymore. Scaling up, no problems. Why do things the hard way when automation makes life easier? Step 1. Set up Django. A virtual environment keeps dependencies tidy. Django brings the magic, and a structured project keeps things organized. It's like setting the stage before the show begins. Get the basics right, and the deployment will be smooth sailing. Ansible time. It's lightweight, agentless, and saves you from complex setups. SSH access. Check. Installation verified. Check. Now with a few simple commands, automation begins. It's like having a super efficient assistant, minus the coffee runs. Alright folks, let's talk about keeping our environment variables secure. No one wants their API keys floating around like confetti in a parade. First, ditch the hard-coded values. Configuration files are your friends. Keep those secrets out of version control unless you enjoy explaining security breaches. Use environment-specific settings, because production and development shouldn't share secrets like gossip. And finally, secret management tools. Embrace them or be haunted by misplaced credentials. Scaling a Django application can feel like trying to keep a party from turning into chaos. First, automate deployments with Ansible Playbooks. No more manual configurations. Dynamic inventories make scaling painless. Think of it as hiring backup DJs at your event. Optimizing database connections ensures your app doesn't choke when traffic spikes. And lastly, load balancing strategies, because one server doing all the work is like a single waiter serving 100 tables. Not fun. Deployment automation isn't just a fancy buzzword. It's your ticket to stress-free releases. Use version control for scripts so you don't lose track of changes like a wandering cat. Ensure idempotency, meaning rerunning scripts won't create unexpected chaos. Monitor performance. You wouldn't drive blindfolded, right? And always have rollback strategies, because sometimes things go south faster than expected. Deployment pitfalls, the gremlins of our workflows. Ignoring environment-specific configs. That's asking for unexpected surprises. Not testing thoroughly. That's like skydiving without checking the parachute. Overcomplicating automation is like making a recipe with 50 unnecessary steps. Keep it simple. And skipping security, well, that's like leaving your front door wide open. Don't do it. Testing deployment scripts is like rehearsing before the big show. Use staging environments. You wouldn't perform without practice, right? Logging helps you track errors instead of playing detective. Run integration tests first. Don't just hope things magically work. And automate health checks, because manually verifying every deployment is exhausting. Debug smart, deploy with confidence. Alright, we've covered a lot. Deployment automation saves time, security keeps your app safe, and continuous optimization ensures things run smoothly. Keep refining your processes. There's always room for improvement. And for the curious minds, dive into additional resources, because learning never stops. Now go forth and deploy like a pro. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.